How to block explicit content on X Twitter. Start by opening the X app on your Android device. Tap your profile icon in the top left corner to open the menu. Scroll down and tap Settings and Support. Then go to Settings and Privacy. Now tap on Privacy and Safety to manage what kind of content appears on your timeline. Scroll down and find the Sensitive Content section. Tap it. You will see 3 categories: graphic violence, adult content, and other. Each one is usually set to 1 by default. To block them, just tap each one and change the setting to never show this. That's it. X will now hide that type of content from your feed. Pro tip: this also reduces chances of seeing NSFW content in your notification or explore page. And boom! You have made your X timeline cleaner and safer. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.